Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're just still here on the segments, I love that word. Thank you for being on this segment. Thank you for being on this segment. I'm in a bit better mood. I've managed to overcome my doom and gloom and dragged myself up for a nice walk. So just go walk around this roundabout and go back home, and that's it for lunch. Do some more work in the afternoon. Okay, so up here we have the A91. It's a very busy road, so you need to be specially trained. I can't keep this up for much longer. Specially trained individual. So without much further ado, let's go. My superhero, stop doing that to your nose when you're filming, you fucking clown. My superhero is Francis Bourgeois. Oh yes. Now, it's getting. Right, we'll change it. Ooh, ah! Ooh. Right. Where are we? Oh! Oh shit! Oh! We're not getting any younger. All this eating and drinking. Oh look, what we've got? Roadworks! Wasn't expecting that. Wasn't expecting that. Ah, that's the end. End of the roadworks. Right. Right. So, let's see if we can walk down here. Council must be very busy. Unless they have an extended dinner break. They're very, very hard, you know. Diverted traffic. So they've been along putting some cones in. Just ain't going to work. It's slightly windy today, it has to be said. Alright, you didn't tighten the thing up. Right, how are we doing? Right. So we had a bit of trouble with it. I think I've come down here without my glasses. So what happened there was, just as the phone froze, somebody peeped me, the guy with a little silver van, Stirling, which is unfortunate. So and I haven't got my glasses with me, can't exactly see if I'm doing hope I'm not doing a time lapse. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. So let's get on with this. Better not spend too much time. So we're going to go around the other side of the roundabout. We'll walk over there and round and then back down there. That's what we'll do. Okay? Come away here without my glasses. I can't see totally for sure if this isn't the right. Right, it's on, it's working. Go. We're in the gimbal, so we're not going to conk out. It's going to be quite difficult because it's going to be clear. Oh look, there's the guys working. It's got to be clear both ways. Yeah, here we go. Right. Hey. How are we going to get across this? are we going to do it? We could get halfway across and then wait, but that's a bit dangerous, isn't it? Right. Whew. I don't know what they're doing. This roundabout. Valiant. Oh yes. That's quite cool. M&N Smith Haulage Limited. And we got a freaking train. Oh, it's a tree, look, there's a tree down. No, I knew that, like, but maybe that's what they're doing. I don't actually know. Oh. Oh yes, it's Malcolm Logistics. Aye. Oh aye. There's the hatcheries people. They'll go up there. Right. Yeah, I can't come away with my freaking glasses. I'm like a freaking clown. So we've got to have a look at this is where the cones go up here. This is just to do a bit of maintenance on the roundabout, isn't it? That's all that is. That's all that is. Right. Now, promise. Lots of trees down all over the place. Lots of trees. Oh, there's that bit of steel that, yeah, might end up picking up sometime. Oh yes. It's the end, my friends. Let's just get home. Right. Let's call it a day, because I need to go home. I've come away out here with my fucking glasses on. See a fucking thing. Right. Let's go. Scrappies are coming. I think we'll jump over the other side. Ooh. So Scrappies, it's recovery. Like Not and Richie. Wow. Wow, we've got a bit of a problem there. We've got a truck coming. There goes Cougar. Yes. Yeah. Got a wee peep there. Oh dear, we've got a hearse coming. Oh dear. So chopping the tree up. I'll get him and go and pop it off at my house. Oh, I've got enough to do without another fucking tree. You're gonna stop cussing in the videos. There's one there. This is what happens when you don't plan properly. You know, it's when you don't plan. You land up coming out without all your equipment, which would be glasses. Ugh. So we get cones there, guys cutting the tree. It wouldn't be too bad job that. I like destroying things. I would probably be able to do that. Like cut something up. Messing about all that. There's a mad cyclist. And we've got a Mercedes. Oh, yo! God, that was impressive. Oh yeah, the Renault Megane is, oh, that's really impressive. Can you turn it up a bit? I can't hear it. Oh yes! The Renault Clio with the stereo on full blast. Right, I'm gonna go home for my lunch. Quickly. quickly. Quickly! It's the Royal Mail. Another great organisation got completely ruined because it went private, I suppose. Well, yeah. Globalism does it again. Corporations, greed, power, blah blah blah, you name it. That happened. Yeah, they're busy as fuck. Well, I'm going away down this way. We'll go back the way we came. Cones here I could be picking up. And they're not sitting in the van. We'll go back the way we came. Oh, there's McPherson's. Wow. Wow, McPherson's. So there's, let's go back the way we came. That was an interesting video, wasn't it? It's a pity. So if you're in the silver van, Stirling, I forget what it's called. Sorry that I didn't catch you peeping, so you can come back and peep again, it'd be good. Come back and peep at me again. It just shows you really need to be organised when you're doing these videos. Which I fail to actually be all that often. Get down that train! Mercedes. So it's getting the gist of people and what they're about and everything. I think what happens if you're looking at a kind of, maybe you get two different types of, well, I know you get different types of narcissists, but maybe I'm a different type of narcissist. I'm maybe a malignant one or something, or some other type, and I'm sussing out this full-on narcissist. It's a woman, and so me and her are, when it's described as we just don't, like, two individuals just don't get along, I think it really means that they've not been able to, one of them are, well, it all depends on your point of view, of course, but it's more a case of managing people, and if you're not getting along, and it depends what you're talking about, so you get two people not getting along. One's a service user and one is a volunteer, mental health worker or something, you know. Yay! Aberlour, big person of Aberlour. Like, I think I might change to the other app and see if see what happens. And then we can do some. Wait a minute, you can do portrait on this here, Wally. Yeah. And you can do anything on the gimbal. Anything. So I've got the guys working clearing out the roundabout today. It's meant that I can't go on it like you can because it's a building site. Health and safety and all that sort of thing. And there's a Mercedes track. Yes. So we're going to go away home now like you can. So thanks for watching this segment of the video. I'm about to do another segment which is less impressive, which is me walking up a hill in a wood. Alright, well, that looks nice and clean. When did you start working with the funerals? Right. CBRE. Aye, so we'll get going now. Oh yes, we've got a truck coming. Got a truck coming now. Just right, here we go, look. Yes. You'll probably know by the way I'm standing. Hi, Mundell. Mundell! Fucking hell! Mundell Limited. Mundell. Is that, what sort of name's that? Mundell. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to say because it's say the wrong thing. Mundell. I'll look it up. I'll look it up in the when I get home. All these people just getting on with their work. See, they don't give a shite about all the things that I worry about. Why? Because they don't have the time to think about all that shit like what you've got, fanning around, wandering around roundabouts. It's really why. So we're going to get going now. Get going. Where's my secret escape? I can't even fucking remember what it is. It's like, it's here. It's here. Why is nobody filming me? Probably am on some videos, just haven't come across them yet. Sab. It's a Sab. A Sab. So the queue's building up to the end of here. We'll start at the sign. Volvo. Seen this sign that many times, why you gotta look at a fucking sign? Nobody wants to look at a sign, have you? And we've got a truck coming. You'll see the different style of video today when me doing with the gimbal, because it means I'm not pausing it the same as I normally do. It's Falkirk car carriers. Craig's Special Spring Timber Haulage. 2 for the price of 1. Right, we're on the portrait now. With the gimbal. So yeah. So let's get going. Lunch awaits. Lunch awaits me. Lunch awaits. That's my escape hatch there. My escape hatch. Oh look! Broscombe Limited. Wow! Right, that's just another app now. Is it a bit jittery? Right, we're going to go now. We're going. So, bye bye A91. A train! Truck and a train! Right, we're going. Ah, that's that truck we seen yesterday, coming out of Riverside. Must have a depot or something down there. I always find it difficult leaving the site. You know, there's so much trucks to look at, and so much fun for me. I could stand here all day, looking at the bin people. There they are, there they go. Please, a round of applause for the bin people. They get a tough time of it, you know, they're expected to do stuff And all the while the bins get smaller and fucking heavier because well, the council, oh, we pick it up once every 6 months, and you go down there and it's like fucking weighs 3 tons. Right, let's go. You can laugh at me when I fall down here. So anyway, we've had a riveting video session here today. Live. I'm live. Mark White's live. Live. Like, stop looking at the trucks. Come on, you have to go. Get out of here. At your age, you've got a grandchild and it's going to be looking at these videos going, fuck, I never met my grandfather. Oh, ooh. Ah, you'd be wanting my fucking money though, wouldn't you? Eh? Oh, aye. Your fucking grandmother will be. She won't say she will, but she will be. I know that. Because that's, well, all you need to do is know human nature, really. It's not like rocket science, is it? They'll say, oh, I don't want anything to do with you on your money. And then they're after it as fucking, as soon as look at you, they'll be in for it. They'll be up. If I drop dead right now, they'll be up here. If I drop dead right now, oh god, the trucks are missing. Fuck's sake. RT Keedwell. If I drop dead right now, they'd be down here. Or up, or whatever the fuck they are. Well, I know they are, they're up there. They'd be down here. They'd be looking for it, and the doors would be locked. And I've done my will. So, fuck you. Done it. I'm no fucking changing it. Right. Maybe not a good idea, who knows? You start talking about that, it's a bit negative, innit? Okay, stop it. Stop talking negative shit. Right, get home. And get your, I suppose it's a good idea to do it all different ways and that, get to know your equipment, and that's what I'm doing today. Do it differently. So I don't know, I've got loads of things to moan about, but there's so much that I can't even. I think a lot of times with me it just sort of comes out, doesn't it? It's like, it's not really planned. Ooh! Oh, look at that bit. Oh. It's not exactly totally entirely rotten, is it? Aye. So we stash it and put it somewhere and pick it up later. Aye, because they might be coming to clear it up. I'm not entirely sure. I think it's a little bit rotten. It might be a little bit rotten. Nah, I think I've picked it up. It's not totally rotten. It's a little bit. Because it's pretty easy. You just cut that 3 times and that's you. Split it and that's it. Should have brought my bag. Can I lift it? Getting wood is proven to be like easy, and it's because the NIMBYs are not touching it because they're scared. So they get nudged. The government nudge units. Tony Blair started this shit. They nudge you into doing what they want, so that a lot of people just won't. The NIMBY's like numpty neighbour next door. He's a type sneaky, but he's a sneaky bastard. He goes about sneaking around. Like he's taken advantage a few times just because he's been sneaky. So he's taken advantage of my good nature, and he's not getting to do it anymore. So, because but that's probably normal for him, and he won't think he's done anything wrong, but he has done things wrong, and it hasn't worked for him. And he'll be dead soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter, does it? And I'll have a fucking party. I don't. No, stop it! You're getting negative again. Fuck. Look at that tree instead. Can you see it? Aye. Stop moaning about shit. Right, stop it. It's just... I'm actually quite useless at this, but I think that's the sort of... I think that's the good element of it. Is that I'm actually useless at it. That's why people watch them. Because I just... If I was slick and professional and everything, then you wouldn't watch it. I would go up and interview these council guys or something. Take total command of everything, and then it'd all be slick and everything, and they send me Christmas cards and everything. But I'm not like that. I'm just incompetent. I'm socially incompetent. Yeah, definitely. Without a doubt, yeah. I'll go and go, start a fight with them or something. It would escalate quickly. If they say I'm at my work, I'm at my work as well. Fuck. I'm at my work, it's my work. It's not a job. Well, fuck. You work for the council? You tell me I don't have a real job. Yours isn't a real job either. It's time we got away home. God. Sorting out the trees. I'm going to flip back to Port's landscape up here. Right. I think everything in the world about men and women is sexually orientated. And what happens, you get sad fuckers like me, I end up sleeping with equipment and stuff. Or falling in love with a fridge freezer or something. It's all kind of like, as humans are supposed to do things, it doesn't always work out that way. So it's like, I'm trying to explain this and I don't have all the words. I do have the words, but not readily available. Right. Thanks for watching this segment. I'm going to change it to landscape. Oh aye. It's went wonky. Sorry. It was a wee bit... The gimbal was getting a bit gimbalised there. I wasn't very happy with what was going on. There's the guys down there, look. Oh aye. Useless bastard you are. Right. That's it. Right. Okay then, I'm gonna head home now. Yeah, I think looking after children and everything's been a bit of a... It's difficult for... I think for billions of years, like, humanity's been a certain way and it all changed. But we haven't really changed, have we? We're still the same, aren't we? So you can't really expect it to like be different all of a sudden. Oh God, I'm knackered. This is knackering, this. Yeah, I'm going to actually put the gimbal away. Yeah, it's a bit formal, the gimbal. It's like when you're using it, it's like there's no doubt that you're filming. You know, I think is the way it goes. So, right, let's get this thing put away. I was too close to myself. Right, we're good. Floor warming and renewables. Aye, it's all tired up there. Going this time of the year. I'm going away for my dinner. I won't be doing anything else. That's Range Rover and a BMW. I think I'd probably, well, if it was me, probably be after I think the BMW more reliable, wouldn't it? Right, I'm going. Thanks for watching. Bye! There's the bell. Time for lunch. The bell's going.